Hey guys, welcome back to another Matthew Car Crash Talks episode. And let's just cut to the trace. Uh, Shit. Okay. I don't know. Let's just hit it. Oh, damn. All right. Oh, that's yeah. Why would they park their car there? Is that like a car or truck? Okay, that's pretty that's pretty stupid. And okay. Oh, okay. Uh, okay. So that's just well, they're fucked, I guess. I mean, what are they gonna do about this? Like, their whole side of their building is collapsing in. So even if the car moves, it's gonna collapse part of the building. They are totally fucked. Yeah. Ooh, that's rough. Oh, okay, wait. Was there a person in there? Because I swear there was a person in there. Like right here. Wait. Oh, there must have been. That's a dumb question. Alright. Shit, dude. I mean, he's... Okay. Jeez. That car smashed into that other car like Pete Davidson smashes into the Kim Kardashian. Okay, I'm not sure how they missed that rock, but yeah. You can back up, you know that, right? Oh shit, actually maybe not. Oh, yeah, that's rough. That is rough. Okay, wait. I gotta respect the whole getup. Red shirt, red car. His whole getup is red. I'm just surprised he hasn't dyed his hair red either. But I mean, yeah. Ozark, Missouri. Oh, I'd like to point out that Ozark is a show on Netflix. That's basically it. Are they still in the car? I think they are. Huh. Okay. That's pretty stupid. Okay, yeah, he's still in the car. Okay. Dude. Whoa, alright. Yeah, that guy's got... Okay. That's... Okay, they could have avoided that so easily. That's pretty dumb. Well... Okay. That is... Jeez. Like, what the hell? Is it driving by itself? Oh. Guess not. What the... Okay. Alright. This is a classic example of road rage. You don't want to get caught up in this shit, because this guy, I mean, he probably won't, but he could beat your ass. I mean, even if you can take him, is it really worth it? I don't know, maybe. This shit's dumb. This guy obviously needs fucking anger management, but I don't know. It's my 2 cents. No, I don't. Okay, you never told him. What? Ronnie Pickering. Yeah, I know Ronnie Pickering. He's a real celebrity. Damn, dude, I can't believe you fucked with Ronnie Pickering. Ooh, damn, dude. That guy's a drifter. That guy just put down his bag to fucking beat that guy up. But, okay, what is this guy doing? Obviously, you shouldn't be driving this car. He's got that much shit on it. So, that about does it for Matthew Car Crash Talks. Yeah. yeah, if you have any car crashes you think I should react to or analyze, then just put it in the comments below, because I need that, I just, yeah, cool.